Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to excel at work, updated. Start by defining your top priorities and commit to a simple daily routine that supports focus and progress. Break projects into small steps, track wins, and ask for feedback regularly. Communicate clearly with your team and manager to align expectations. Use time blocks for deep work, take short restorative breaks, and invest in skill growth to stay adaptable with intention. Communicate proactively to keep projects moving and reduce friction. Share brief updates that highlight progress, risks, and next steps so everyone stays aligned. When decisions matter, summarize them in a quick message to prevent misunderstandings. Listen to understand, not just to reply, and ask one or two clarifying questions when things are unclear. Regular check-ins build trust and make collaboration faster and more effective across teams and stakeholders. Create routines that support consistent output and well-being. Use calendar blocks for focused work and treat them like important meetings that cannot be moved. Keep a short daily list of top priorities and finish one task before switching to the next. Reduce low-value meetings and replace them with concise written updates. End each day with a quick review to capture lessons and set clear priorities for tomorrow to maintain momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.